Hey guys, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make macaroni and cheese. So let's cook. So I'm going to be keeping this recipe kind of simple today. So here I have about 1 pound of macaroni shells. And I have 3 types of cheese. I'm using Gouda, I'm using Colby Jack, and I'm using sharp cheddar. And you want to try to get your cheese in blocks because you want to grate it yourself. Next I have 1.5 cups of heavy cream and 1.5 cups of half and half, and I just put that inside of a container together. And for this macaroni and cheese, I'm going to be making a roux. So I have a 1/4 cup of butter and 1/3 cup of flour, and that's what I'm going to use for my roux. And I also have a tablespoon of mustard. So you're going to roughly need around 6 cups of cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and grate my cheese. So I'm going to finish grating my cheese up, and I'll check back in with you guys when I'm all finished. Okay, so I've grated up all my cheese. Now what you want to do is get a bowl like this, and you want to put all your cheese inside the bowl. And I'm going to mix all this cheese up. You don't have to mix your cheese up. Like if you want to have all cheddar cheese at the top, you can just leave your cheese separate. Now that this is done, we're going to go over to the stove and start our macaroni and cheese. First you want to boil some water and add about a tablespoon of salt. Next you want to add in 1 pound of pasta. And you want to stir that up. Now you just want to cook this until it's al dente. Just going to sit this off to the side and start making our sauce. Now you just want to add butter to your pan. You just want to whisk in 1/3 cup of flour. I'm going to slowly pour in 1.5 cups of half and half and 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Now you want to keep stirring as you pour to make sure you don't get any lumps. Now you just want to cook this down until it becomes thick. Now that our sauce is thickened up like this, now you just want to go ahead and turn your fire off. Next you're going to add in about 4 cups of your cheese, and you're going to mix that up. Now that our cheese is melted like this and you have a nice smooth sauce, you're going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon of paprika. And you want to add some salt, and you're just going to salt to taste, and you're going to mix that up. Now we're just going to add our pasta back in. And you want to mix this up. And now you want to just taste this for seasoning as well. And that tastes pretty good. So now we're going to go ahead and put this in our baking dish. So now you want to take your macaroni and you want to put half your macaroni inside of your dish. So I went ahead and grated some more extra sharp cheddar cheese to add in the middle of my macaroni and cheese. And then you want to put the rest of your macaroni and cheese on top. And you want to smooth that out on top like this. Now you just want to add your mixed cheese on top. Now you just want to cook this in the oven on 350 for about 20 to 30 minutes or until your cheese is bubbly and a golden brown color. Okay guys, so I went ahead and took our macaroni and cheese out, and as you can see, it's got that nice golden color and it's still bubbling. It's super hot. I'm gonna get a plate of this while it's nice and hot so you guys can see what this looks like on the inside. Alright, so I'm just gonna get a nice big spoonful of this while it's nice and hot, guys. And look at that. That is so creamy and delicious. And that's how I make my macaroni and cheese, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe, put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.